Hello. My name is Phil. Today I am here with Alexander, a surviving slave from the Civil War. Nice to have you here, Alexander. Nice to be here, Phil. So today, we will be discussing how it was like to be a slave in the Civil War. My first question to ask is, what really is slavery? Slavery is when someone owns another person. Did you get money or food, or something along those lines? I did not get money. Slaves don't get paid for all of their hard labor, but our master/mistress would provide us with food, shelter, and clothing. They weren't the nicest delicacies, but they were enough for me. Did you just work in one home the whole time? Or did you move around? I moved around. Every once in a while, slaves would be sent to the auction, to get sold off to new households. The auctions would usually split up our families. The people who auctioned for us only took the strongest one us, and I usually was picked because I was the strongest child that is a boy in our family. How did you feel when you first entered the new country? Well, I felt like an outcast. I didn't know the language too well and I didn't even know what was happening. Okay. Well, what did you do as a slave? We worked. At my plantation, the crop that was produced was cotton. So, I worked out in the fields with plenty of other slaves picking cotton for a long time. I was considered a field slave. Are there other types of slaves? Yes. The other type of slave was the house slave. They cleaned, cooked, and served their master/mistress. Okay, next topic. So, what was the Underground Railroad? The Underground Railroad wasn't actually a railroad. It was an escape route for slaves to evacuate to the north. Did anyone help you along the way? Well, I didn't use the Underground Railroad, because I was a slave all my life, until we were free. But I did hear that there were people that helped the slaves along the way. These people were called conductors. That's interesting. Well, I think we were gonna wrap it up for today. Thank you, Alexander, for letting us interview you today. I'm Phil. Thanks for watching.